Yes. Try. Dimensional study, huh? Okay, so why do you say speech acts, huh? No. Let's go step by step. Tri-dimensional aspect of meanings. What are 3 types of meanings? Sorry? Utterances are speech acts. Where is Hannah? Yes, Hannah, tell me what are the 3 types of meanings? You told me in the last lecture, huh? What is it? Sorry? Locutionary. Please make sure that is it locutionary and it's different from location, huh? Or even allocution also. Allocution is something else. So locutionary means, okay, what is the other type of meaning? Allocutionary, huh? No, it's illocutionary, okay? Illocutionary. And perlocutionary, yeah? So do we know that the key concept of this perlocutionary meanings? Okay, this is 3 types or 3-dimensional meaning. And we know that pragmatics is the study of communication, right? Or what we say, conversation, huh? Right? Okay, what else? Spoken language, huh? Language use, etc. Very good. So now tell me, what do we understand by locutionary meaning? Yes? Okay, let me simplify it. I have told many times, we discussed many times. We tend to forget. So locutionary means linguistic meaning, okay? Okay, meanings conveyed through language, huh? Something what is literal, huh? Literal meaning, huh? Right? For example, if I say I am happy, yeah? So there could be many ways I am happy, or I am extremely happy, or I am less happy, or I am angry, right or not? So literal meaning will be that the teacher or the students or all of us are happy, right or not? What about the illocutionary meaning? Okay, that is speaker's intention or intended meaning, huh? Speaker's yes, for example, I told that I am happy. So it means that maybe my intention is that I'm very happy since I am with my students, huh? Or we are discussing communication or conversation, we're discussing things, that's why we are happy, right or not? All right, and what about perlocutionary meaning? Sorry? Listeners' perception, right? So when I say, I am extremely happy today, my students think that I am happy or sad? Happy, but I might be sad within myself, right or not? So, okay. So basically, when we say pragmatics, it means that we need to have a common culture, common understanding, common meaning, huh? Right? That what speaker says, what language says, or what we perceive, we cooperate, right or not? Yes? So what is meant by cooperative principle? Yes? Cooperative principle means that we cooperate with one another, not only in understanding language, or yes, making adjustment in understanding and making adjustment with the student. For example, if I share my content with my students, we share the things, huh? Pragmatics is a common concern, linguistic concern, huh? And I try to explain or discuss, and my students try to explain and discuss, right or not? So we will discuss some core meanings, right? Okay, now coming to another important concern. So we have like quality, quantity, right? And quality, quantity, relevance, and yeah, because since I did not touch this area, I'm just trying to correlate it, okay? Relevance, and one is called manner, huh? That when we try to cooperate, it's through 4 ways we try to cooperate with one another, right or not? There is something else. Okay, so this was implicature, right or not? It's implicature, huh? That there are 3 types of implied meanings or implied in conversation, and we try to correlate, right or not? Okay, there is another thing, what we call it explicature. Are you familiar with this? I explained it in my lectures, in my notes to you. What is it? Yes? Basically, this is called enrichment of meanings, okay? By Sperber and his colleagues, enrichment of meaning, or something we call it study of communication excellence, communication maturity. Yeah? There is another thing we call metalinguistic development or meta-linguistic understanding, okay? Basically, this and this, or maybe this also, and this also. So basically, all these theories talk about the same core concern, 3 types of meaning, and then we enrich meaning. For example, let's say Peter Grundy, your author, huh? He says timings, availability or schedule is from 10 to 12. Okay, don't miss the time, okay, that I'm here, huh? Right? And it's called office hours, huh? So he says, what does this mean, by the way? That the teacher will be available at this time, huh? And the students should communicate with him at this time, huh? This time only? This time or more? More, huh? Other times as well, huh? So he says that when I display this noted, my students never communicated to me. Huh? So let's discuss some further examples here regarding pragmatics and this correlation of meaning, okay? And you will work in groups also later, and we discuss something chorally as well.